Comparison and ordering of rational numbers.
Subscribe the channel and press the bell icon to get latest updates from learnfatafat.com.
In this video, we will learn how to compare and order the rational numbers. Comparison of rational numbers with different sign. It is very easy. Basically, every positive rational number is greater than 0, which is greater than every negative rational number.
Watch ad-free and complete syllabus on Learn Fatafat Android app. Download the app now.
For example, consider rational numbers 1 by 3, minus 1 by 3 and 0. Make sure that the denominators are positive. If required, multiply numerator and denominator by minus 1 to make denominator positive. Here denominators are already positive, so we can say that positive rational number 1 by 3 is greater than 0, which is greater than negative rational number minus 1 by 3. Once compared, these numbers can be ordered in descending order, that is, in the order of decreasing values as 1 by 3, 0, minus 1 by 3, and in ascending order, that is in the order of increasing values as minus 1 by 3, 0, 1 by 3. Now let's learn comparison of rational numbers with same sign. Consider rational numbers 3 by 4, 4 by 5 and minus 7 upon minus 10. Here 3 by 4 and 4 by 5 are positive rational numbers. It appears that the rational number minus 7 by minus 10 is negative. But actually it is also a positive rational number. It is because if we multiply numerator and denominator of minus 7 by minus 10 by minus 1, then we get positive rational number 7 by 10. So let's compare them. First we will check if the denominators of all numbers are positive. Yes, these are. If denominators are not positive, then always make them positive. Next we will check if they have common denominator or simply same denominator. Here denominators are different, so let's make them same. For that we will find LCM of denominators. We find it like this. So the LCM of 4, 5 and 10 is 2 into 2 into 5, which is equals to 20. Next, using LCM, we will make denominators same. For making denominator of 3 by 4, 20, we multiply numerator 3 and denominator 4 by 5. It forms rational number 15 by 20.
Watch ad-free and complete syllabus on Learn Fatafat Android app. Download the app now.
Similarly, we can make denominator of 4 by 5, 20, multiply numerator and denominator by 4, which gives rational number 16 by 20. In the same way, 7 by 10 can be converted to 14 by 20. Once we have common denominators, simply compare their numerators to find greater and smaller rational numbers. So numerator 16 is greatest and numerator 14 is smallest. So the rational number 16 by 20 is greater than 15 by 20, which is greater than 14 by 20. That is, among given fractions, 4 by 5 is greater than 3 by 4, which is again greater than 7 by 10. The descending order of these numbers can be written as largest to smallest, that is, 4 by 5, 3 by 4, 7 by 10. The ascending order of these numbers can be written from smallest to largest or by reversing the ascending order as 7 by 10, 3 by 4, 4 by 5.
Watch ad-free and complete syllabus on Learn Fatafat Android app. Download the app now.
Consider another example. Minus 2 by 3, 1 by minus 2. First make their denominators positive. Minus 2 by 3 already has positive denominator. Let's make denominator of 1 by minus 2 positive by multiplying numerator and denominator by minus 1. It forms rational number minus 1 by 2. Next, find LCM of denominators. LCM of 3 and 2 is 6. Using LCM, make denominators same. So we get rational numbers minus 4 by 6 and minus 3 by 6. Compare the numerators. Here, minus 4 is less than minus 3. Why? Because minus 4 is more negative than minus 3. With this comparison, we get minus 4 by 6 is less than minus 3 by 6. And so, minus 2 by 3 is less than 1 by minus 2. We can also compare rational numbers using number line. We will continue with the same example, that is minus 2 by 3 and 1 by minus 2. For comparing numbers on number line, first make denominators positive. Then we ensure common denominators like we have done earlier.
Watch ad-free and complete syllabus on Learn Fatafat Android app. Download the app now.
Once we get common denominators, think about the numerator and denominator of each numbers. Ignoring the signs, we find that numerator is less than denominator, so the value of number without sign is less than 1. Considering the sign, we can say that the number is less than minus 1. So the point for this number must be somewhere between 0 and minus 1. Similarly, the point for other number will be somewhere between 0 and minus 1. So we will draw number line accordingly. Now, as denominator is 6, so we divide each unit in 6 equal parts. As the numerator is minus 4, so we take 4 jumps towards left from 0 and we get point minus 4 by 6. Since value of minus 4 by 6 is same as minus 2 by 3, so same is the point for minus 2 by 3.
Watch ad-free and complete syllabus on Learn Fatafat Android app. Download the app now.
In the same way, we locate minus 3 by 6 by taking 3 jumps towards left from 0. Same is the point for 1 by minus 2. When two rational numbers are shown by points on number line, then the rational number with point on the right is greater than the rational number with point on the left. So, minus 2 by 3 is lesser than 1 by minus 2. So, I hope you understood the explained topic very well. Thanks for watching this video.
Like, share and subscribe learnfatafat.com and press the bell icon to never miss an updates from learnfatafat.com.